Want to know how to unlock places in Toca Boca World? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Toca Boca World game or the application, and you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're on this interface, you can just simply unlock by just simply scrolling on to the right side. As you can see, this is available. So you can also unlock it just by simply playing. So you need to clear out levels and unlock more characters by just simply spending more time on the game and unlocking, creating more houses and exploring much more. So we have also created videos about how to explore, and you can just simply unlock sometimes by real money by going to the shop, or just keep playing, just keep making more houses and keep decorating, adding stuffs, and you should slowly unlock more features as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.